Today I'm cooking a simple vegetarian dish for dinner. Stir-fried mixed vegetable with tofu. It's naturally sweet and goes well with rice. This dish is perfect for a vegetarian meal. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 280 grams of fried tofu, washed and clean, 100 grams of wood ear mushroom, cut and washed, 350 grams of loofah with the skin removed, wash and cut it into bite-sized pieces, 25 ml of water, 40 grams of spring onion cut into 1.5 inch in length, 130 grams of white chimaji mushroom, 2 red chili cut into long strips, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 5 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half teaspoon of sesame oil, half tablespoon of tapioca flour, and quarter teaspoon of pepper. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. Add 25 ml of water into the tapioca flour and mix until the flour has dissolved. Leave aside. Next, cut the tofu into bite-sized pieces. As these tofu are all quite small, I will cut them into 2 to 3 pieces. Continue with the rest of the tofu. Alright, all the tofu are cut and ready. Leave aside. Next, cut the roots and separate the chimaji mushroom individually. Put them in a bowl. I would usually cut and wash them right before cooking them. Alright, the chimaji mushroom is ready. Leave aside. Heat the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Wait for 1 minute for the oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, add in all the chopped garlic. Stir fry and cook garlic for 1.5 minutes or until crispy and golden brown. Okay, all the garlic is cooked and ready. Remove them from the pan and leave aside. With a bit of crispy garlic and oil left in the pan, add in all the tofu. Lightly stir to coat tofu with garlic oil. Add in the washed wood ear mushroom, cut chili, the white stem of the spring onions, and washed chimaji mushrooms. Stir for about 20 seconds or until the tofu and vegetable are well mixed. Add in sesame oil, pepper, and light soy sauce. Stir to mix the seasonings. Add in all the loofah and stir to mix. Cover the pan and let it simmer for 4 minutes. Stir in between to rotate the vegetable and for even cooking. This also prevents burning at the bottom of the pan. After 4 minutes, all vegetable and tofu are cooked. The loofah is perfectly cooked and still crunchy. They have also released some gravy in the pan. Give it a taste. It's delicious. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it's already tasty. Next, add in tapioca flour water. Stir quickly to mix and thicken the gravy. Switch off the heat. Add in crispy fried garlic and stir to combine. Sprinkle the spring onion for a lovely fragrance. Stir to mix. And a simple stir-fry mixed vegetable with tofu is ready. Let's dish it out. Garnish with crispy fried garlic. Serve immediately to enjoy its best taste and texture. Let's eat! Wow, so good! The dish is naturally sweet and the tofu is soft and chewy. Both the loofah and chimaji mushroom are crunchy and taste sweet. It will go well with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!